Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably gearing up for one of the most important components of your application, the statement of purpose. Whether you're applying for your master's or a scholarship abroad, this document is your chance to showcase who you are, what you've achieved, and where you're going. But how do you make sure your SOP stands out in the crowd? That's exactly what we are diving into today. In this video, we'll break down the entire process, from brainstorming ideas to drafting and polishing your statement, so you can craft a compelling narrative that captures your unique journey and goals. Let's get started. The SOP stands for Statement of Purpose, an essay required by the university. This is your first impression to the admission committee that includes your academic details, your past work experiences, and why you wish to pursue the degree and your goals. A well-written SOP usually doesn't exceed a word limit of 800 to 1000 words. That helps the candidate secure admission to top universities in different countries around the world. Now that you have understood what an SOP is, the question arises, how do you write it? So firstly, for a better understanding and your future references as well, here's a sample of an SOP on the screen. Now starting with how to actually write your SOP. Begin with an introduction, talking about yourself and what motivated you to pursue this course. By talking about yourself, we don't mean self-introduction, but more of your self-interest that encouraged you to apply for your chosen course. In the next paragraph, talk about your academic achievements, extracurricular activities, and past work experiences. Talking about academic achievements, let them know about the knowledge and skills you have acquired so far and how you can utilize them in your master's. For extracurricular activities, mention it to showcase how you're always looking forward to your holistic development. Then for other activities, mention any volunteering, CSR initiatives or community service activities you participated in. Next, write about your internship or full-time work experience in the field. Some tips you should remember in these particular sections to make sure your SOP stands out are: first, be specific. Connect the dots well. Second, showcase how you're the best candidate for this program. It does not mean you have to brag about yourself. You should highlight your achievements, awards, experiences, etc. Thirdly, experiences should be written in brief detail. You should not discuss every project you did in your job. And lastly, focus more on the positive impact you made at the organization. Important projects you have done, show how you were an asset there. Now to our next section in the SOP. Why specifically this country, course, and university? Here, you will talk about the skill gap you observed during your academics or work experience, and for this reason, you wish to pursue a master's now. First of all, find a country that aligns. Thoroughly research the course you want and provide the right reasons why this particular country is in your SOP. Then, particular reasons for choosing a specific university. Describe the university in the country where you wish to study. Talk about class size, projects, faculty, and how it can help you attain your goals. Everything aside, personalization is the key. To make your SOP more personalized and university specific, add details on why this particular university is essential. Then describe your chosen course. Highlight the course and its good parts. Check core modules, electives, and other activities related to this course. Some points that you shouldn't neglect while writing this section are: give evidence of leadership skills. Courses abroad are pretty rigorous and include a lot of practical work. Therefore, highlight on instances where you've worked alongside a team or led a team. Write about how this course can enhance the skills that you gained while working at organizations. In short, your SOP should convince that you're well aware of the university and the curriculum that you have chosen. Next, we talk about the short-term and long-term goals. Mention your plans for 2 to 5 years. Where do you wish to work in your domain? What skills do you aspire to gain while working there, etc. How will these skills help you achieve your long-term goal, which you aspire to do 10 to 15 years later? Remember to research the university website well. Search clubs or associations where you can contribute and how it can help you reach your goals later. Another most important piece is your conclusion. This has to be the closure of your SOP, providing a gist of how you are a suitable candidate and can be a valuable asset to the university cohort. Keep it short, within 3 to 4 lines. Now, if you followed the video well, I'm sure you can write a remarkable SOP. But before you start working on your piece, I want to share some do's and don'ts for a strong SOP from my side. Starting with the do's, we have: the style of writing should be simple yet professional. Write original content and do not plagiarize. Use one font style and font size throughout your SOP. Get your SOP proofread by an expert. Your introduction and conclusion should be as intriguing as possible, so focus on them. Do emphasize on the timeline of your education, work, and achievements. Moving on to the don'ts. Do not use AI tools. Do not mention that you plan to return after your master. Don't go beyond the set word limit. Never bluff about anything in your SOP. You can be cross-questioned. Do not write casually or add too much jargon. Avoid using bullet points in your SOP. Also remember, the biggest mantra to follow while writing your SOP is to abide by the statement or question provided by the university. Stick to that and answer what has been asked. Also, after writing your SOP, if you want to get it reviewed for free by one of our experts, you can do so now by clicking our website link in the description below. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into writing a standout statement of purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and insights on navigating the application process. Drop any questions or comments you have. Good luck with your applications, and I'll see you in the next video.